First open Thordata's Personal Center page and click on Residential Proxies. Click on Set up User before getting to Proxy. Set your username and password. Return to the endpoint generator after successful creation. Select the user you set and filter the required country, region, city, etc. as needed. You can set the session and select rotating session or sticky session. Then copy the proxy address and open the Incogniton Browser. Click New Profile and enter the profile name. Click Add Proxy, select HTTP proxy type, and paste the copied proxy IP address. Finally, check whether the proxy is connected and save and open it.